Hi, I'm Darlene, and welcome to Super at 60. Today, it's all about the grocery store. I know that sounds like a really bad place right now, and in some ways, it is. It's a really difficult time for all of us. We're all included in this, and so I thought to myself, I had extra time today. I went to my therapist this morning for my back, and I'll tell you all about that at another time. But that was a new experience. And then afterwards, I actually was out and about and it was beautiful and sunny. And I thought, you know what? I have a couple hours to kill. I'll get some steps in. I went to a grocery store that I rarely go to, unless I need something specific that Aldi doesn't have. But anyway, I just kind of wanted to go on a grocery hunt today. My purpose was to make grocery shopping fun. Is that possible? A fun grocery store haul? Well, half my haul is from Aldi. And it's just a wee little bit that we did last night. And I'll show you some things that I got. The other haul is from a store called Food Lion. You guys know Food Lion? And I just took my time and I actually had fun at the grocery store. All right, the first haul here is from Aldi. And yeah, these are just things that we just kind of sort of had to have, you know, the staples that you need. I actually ended up, there's three dozen eggs that we got. Boy, those really shot up. Heavy cream, half and half. I just kind of use those things often. My husband likes the half and half in his coffee. There's some milk back there. We don't go through as much milk as we used to. So just 1 gallon. Some juice, some napkins. You always just got to have, I like the cheapest napkins possible because, you know, you use them, you toss them. Right, a little bit of coffee. Yeah, that shot up about 50 cents, I think. I did get some cake mixes. I have a bunch of cake stuff coming up that I got to do. So I got some white and a little Tower O yellow ones back there. You can do a lot of things with cake mixes, and it's kind of fun. And then I got 3 butters. Those went up. I do have a big, maybe 2 bags actually, of butters that I bought from Aldi when they were $1.69. Do y'all remember that? It seems like it wasn't even all that long ago, and now they're $2.99. Oh, that one hurt. That one hurt. All right, sour cream, ricotta. Those in my house, those are staples for us guys. They are. I bought a few little canned things back here, not a whole bunch, but those black beans, they're coming up in a recipe for you guys. Kidney beans. There's some sauce. I like these little 8-ounce. What are they? 8? Yeah, 8-ounce cans of tomato sauce because one of those cans makes a wonderful, wonderful, that's how I make my pizza sauce. And by the time I add all the spices and all the other goodies, that little 8-ounce can makes just enough sauce for 2 wonderful pizzas. And some evaporated milk. That is just a good thing to have in your house. It really, really is. Lots you can do with it. Some toothpaste. Don't forget, you have to have toothpaste. So get yourself some toothpaste and make sure, well, at least try. Maybe you can find it on sale sometime. And we're going to talk about that in just a second. Some deodorant. Whoa, that shot up. Boy, I wish I didn't need it, but yeah, I need it. Just saying. All right, got some stewed tomatoes there and some little peaches in the background because my little grandson is coming for the weekend. I'm so excited, and he loves those peaches. Some garlic. You got to have some garlic. And I got to tell you, I love fresh garlic, but it's a pain. It's a pain in the neck. And when you can get it this way, why not? I think I use it more, just knowing but I will say, once you open the can, you got to use it. Don't let it sit in your refrigerator. These little oyster crackers, they're addicting. They are addicting. Very good. And little Everett, he's going to love to have a little cup of those when he watches. What's he going to watch? We always let him watch something on TV when he comes. He's really into trains right now. So the old steam trains, those are fun. I love them too. There's some almond bark right there. I got chocolate and vanilla. We have Easter coming up, and I need those for a beautiful little project. And some powdered sugar. Got to have that. Sugars. Oh my goodness. Sugars and flour and baking things. Cocoa. Oh yeah. Those soared right up. Some yellow mustard. We were just plumb out. And now we're not. A little bit of oil. Oil went up. Oil definitely went up. Okay, so that is my Aldi haul. It was not a whole ton. But it was just some stuff that we needed. You'll notice there's absolutely no meat here, although you know what? I did buy a sausage. Some of that bulk sausage. I think it's in my refrigerator already. Oh well, I did buy that, but that honestly was the only meat that I bought. And then I decided today that I was just going to go and have some fun at the grocery store. And I was specifically going to be looking for sale items or things that weren't too pricey that that I had not bought before, okay? Or that I just thought I'd give a try. Right here, so I need some cornmeal. And although I don't buy it often, I thought, you know what? It just feels like a cornmeal kind of day, okay? Some self-rising flour. I love making those 2-ingredient biscuits. Those are so much fun. And having self-rising flour, I think I have just discovered it like within the last year of my life probably. And it's like one of those where have you been all my life moments. But anyway, and so I got yellow corn and then I got white corn. Now I have to tell you, I think the packaging sold me. I really, really do. I think I'm going to have some fun with that. I look forward to it. The San Giorgio pastas, they were on sale and a good sale. I have a recipe coming up soon, actually, for angel hair pasta. And I noticed, of course, me, I'm a back of the box kind of girl. If you turn each one of these over, you're going to get a recipe. Look at that. Angel hair pasta with garlic and shrimp. This is the fettuccine box. Here you get fettuccine San Giorgio. That sounds good. And then this one is what? Linguine. Linguine, and you guessed it. Clam sauce. And then here's some, it was $4. I'm sorry, 4 boxes for $5. I didn't think that was all too bad. And this is macaroni and cheese. If you want try a new macaroni and cheese recipe, there you go. Okay. And then I just really wanted to have some beef. I hadn't had beef in so long, just some kind of stuff to maybe throw on the grill or something. So I found these little manager store specials, you know, and they had quite a few things there. And it was it was kind of fun to go through and, you know, and look for some stuff that you could actually kind of sort of afford. But these were, I think, more reasonable. And I think we're just going to throw them on. We got a beef chuck Denver steak. Not sure exactly what that means, but I will figure it out. It says great for the grill, so I'm going to try that. And then a top sirloin steak back there. Oh, how bad could that one be, right? And then look at this right here. Yes, Darlene bought buttermilk. First time in my life I bought buttermilk. Yes. So you'll have to wait and see what I'm going to use that with. And some peanut oil. I never even bought peanut oil before. I didn't. And boy, is it expensive. It was through the roof. But I did find this tiny, cute little bottle. And I thought, I'm going to give that a try. And I think I'm going to like that a lot. And so the bill for that today, I think it was like what? Well, $42 at Food Lion. And that was my fun shopping haul right there. Yeah, I just walked around. Oh, I forgot this. I just bought this little tiny pouch of the Formula One. I do enjoy that too, but boy, that went up too. That little 5-pound bag was $5. Yeah. And I thought, yeah, I'm not going to do it. We'll just buy this little package because now I have my self-rising flour and my heavy whipping cream, and I can whip up those beautiful biscuits in nothing short. Okay. And then the last thing I bought, this was just super fun. And since my little munchie is coming for the weekend, I bought him this and he is going to be so excited. Look at that. And yes, it was not only on sale, but it was a, what do they call that? You know, a sell out. They're not coming back anymore. I mean, they've got to just be horrible, but he'll love them. And then look. Yes, I got 2 of those. 2, it's a twofer. And he will just love that. He will love the little straw here for the milk. And I just thought that was so cute. I always try to have a little something special for him every time that he comes because we just love having him here. He's so adorable. And so there you have it. That is my fun grocery haul. Fun right there. Not too terribly expensive. Got a lot of just fun stuff. And then just kind of every day, a little bit of stock up over here. And I think we're doing okay. I really do. And I hope that all of you are surviving well out there. I think of all of you so very, very often. All right. Well, that was just a small grocery haul. And but I have to say, It was okay. It was okay. My husband and I, we both went last night and decided just to do the Aldi thing. And quite honestly, I really did expect to buy a lot, like a whole cart full of just stuff. But number one, I was tired. It's not good to go grocery store shopping when you're tired and your feet hurt and your back hurts and you just want to be home in your jammies. But we went and like, you saw everything that we got basically. So, but the trip today to Food Line was a little bit different. I was feeling so much better. And like I said, it was just fun. I really enjoyed myself. And, I talked with people and it was just so nice to be normal, quote unquote. I don't know. Is anything ever going to be normal again? Who knows? But that's up to each one of us, right? It's up to each one of us. It's our responsibility to be the best that we can be every day. So my haul at Food Line, a great joy, a super win for Darlene because I just had fun. But the most fun thing is the Dunkaroos. Yeah, this is great. I love this stuff. I don't personally like it, but I know that my grandson is going to love it. And these little bowls, these are just fun. I think I remember when my boys were little, they had stuff like this. And I just think he's going to get a kick out of that. So I have no idea how those Dunkaroos are going to cost, but they were like $1 something. And I thought, well, that's pretty darn good. That's like a old time Aldi price. So I'm going to say goodbye and I will see you again very, very soon. I hope that you have a wonderful weekend. It's beautiful around here, although I did hear rumors of ice and snow. No, yes, and my poor little daffodils are up in the backyard and I kind of feel sad for them. Anyway, thank you so much. Bye now and Lord bless.